Hi guys, so I was really bored and I thought might as well get a little ready and show it to y'all also how my everyday look is. I do not know how to do good makeup, but there are very minimalistic things that I use just to make myself look a little more brighter and my face look a little more alive. गाइज मैं घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो रही थी एंड मैंने सोचा कि खुद को रेडी कर लेते हैं, तो मैंने ये DIY लुक किया है। बहुत मिनिमलिस्टिक और सिंपल है बिकॉज ये मुझे एवरीडे लुक में मैं यूज़ करती हूँ ये चीज़ें, और बहुत कम चीज़ें लगती हैं इसमें। आप सब प्रोडक्ट्स देख सकते हैं, यहीं पर है हाइलाइटर, मस्कारा, कंसीलर, सनस्क्रीन, न्यूट्रल शेड ऑफ लिपस्टिक, CC क्रीम, लिप बाम एंड आईलाइनर अलॉन्ग विद अ मॉइस्चराइजर। सो या, this is it, and it hardly takes like 10 minutes to get ready, and it just makes your face looks a little more alive. So check it out how I did it, and I loved getting ready with you for the first time. Check it out. See you. And I want to clear this out that I'm not so much into makeup, but because I'm so bored and I want to dress up a little during quarantine, so I thought might as well get ready with you guys. So we'll start with my lenses because that's the most important part. And till that time y'all can get something for y'all to drink or eat, और आराम से मुझे बताओ कि क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग, क्या चल रहा है आप लोगों के साथ। तब तक मैं अपनी लेंसेज पहन लूँगी। गाइज वैसे आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ y'all must be wearing these contact lenses. To be honest, it's not very easy to like wear them, and while wearing them you might look really funny also. Okay, I think I'm done with the first one. I can only see with my right eye right now, which is also again very messed up. Here it goes for the left one as well. And you know guys, अगर lenses थोड़ा सा prick करें left या right side से, so you all can actually like rotate your eyes and just shut it once properly. Yeah, good to go. Lenses side कर देते हैं. Coming to the lip balm, which is like really important. Done. So this is the strawberry flavor, which I really like. Now I have lots of knots in my hair, so I'm thinking to put some hair serum and then probably comb my hair. So I'm using this hair serum from Face Shop, which is again really nice, and you just only put this on the tips of your hair and this part. And okay, yeah, I think it's almost done. Now I can like comb them. See, I have so many knots and this is so frustrating. Okay, एक साइड हो गया। अब देखते हैं ये वाले पार्ट को, थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होगी कॉम्ब करने में, बट girl problems, can't help it. You know, yesterday I put some kajal after like a really long time, and y'all can see it's still under my eyes, and these are my eyes without the concealer. Y'all can see my dark circles because my sleep cycle is so messed up because of quarantine. See, knots, just don't leave me, oh god. You know guys, I've been cooking and I've been learning new recipes from my mom, so I'm pretty happy about it, and I'm sure y'all can see that in like my previous YouTube videos. What else have y'all been up to? Keep telling me, no? What are y'all doing? What's up with y'all? Okay, yeah. So the comb part is done, and now I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face before we go ahead with the other things. Okay, so this is also from Face Shop. You all can see the chia seed one. I love this one. So yeah. Also, because all the salons are closed thanks to COVID-19, my eyebrows have become a little messed up, but it's okay. हम सबका वही हाल है ना? Okay. So here's my small pouch where I carry all my essentials, and out of these I've kept a few things on the table. One is this concealer, then I have my eyeliner from Nykaa, of course my favorite, then a small mist, a body mist, and there's my mascara. I have my CC cream Lakme 95, I have my Neutrogena sunscreen, then I have Forest Essentials body mist, again a small one, and something to do my eyebrows with. Okay, so I'm not a makeup fanatic, so I don't you know, buy like so much stuff for myself. I think limited things are enough for me. So I'll do my eyebrows now. Honestly guys, I'm not the best person to do my makeup, but yeah, I just wanted to feel a little dressy today, so I thought might as well do this. Okay, and because I've not done my eyebrows, they are looking so messed up, but it's totally okay. Can't help it. Everything's shut. So other than this makeup, what all, I mean, do you all think will be good for the YouTube channel? Tell me. Oh my god, do I look like a Chinese because of my eyebrows? Okay, anyway, moving on. Concealer. मुझे genuinely makeup में इतना interest नहीं है, ना मुझे अच्छे से करना आता है, but still I'm trying it. Why? Because quarantine. Second, because I haven't stepped out of the house, so I wish to do so. So yeah, I'm doing that because of that. Okay. जो मुझसे गलत हो रहा है ना गाइज, मुझे बता दो कमेंट सेक्शन में, क्योंकि मुझे मेकअप अच्छे से करना नहीं आता है. But still, I don't mind doing it because again, सीखने से ही we can become a little better at it every day. Now I'm taking the CC cream and I'm putting like 2-3 drops here and here, and some of it here, so that my face looks even. So I don't believe in putting foundation every day, so I avoid that and use my CC cream. Today I'm not applying the sunscreen, otherwise usually I keep applying the sunscreen as well. Yeah, I think I'm almost done. Okay, now it's time for a little body mist, because why not? Just to feel good about yourself. Sometimes it's good to get ready also. Now it's time for this eyeliner again. It's a sketch pen eyeliner as well. Oh god, how are girls so good with putting eyeliner? I'm so bad at it. Wow, I think मैं eyeliner लगाना भी भूल गई हूँ, because it's been so long that we've not stepped out of the house, and liner भी लगाना छोड़ दिया है मैंने हर रोज़ daily basis पे. And as I told you all, I am not so much into makeup, but still thoda सीखना ज़रूरी है, right? Okay, so liner is done. Concealer, CC cream, moisturizer, lip balm and eyebrows. Everything's done. Now what is left is and my favorite nude shade from Nykaa. Yeah. Done. It's a lip crayon, guys. Okay, what else is there for me to pass time on? Because I'm not teaching out makeup here. I'm just getting ready because I want to feel good. That's it. Okay, so this is a highlighter from Missguided. Wow. कितने दिन बाद थोड़ा सा रेडी हो रही हूँ मैं. ये करना चाहिए कभी-कभी, है ना? गाइस, तुम्हें पता है मुझे कॉन्टूर और ये सब कुछ भी नहीं आता है. मुझे ऑनेस्टली सीखना है. मेरे जितने भी सारे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, मैं उनको बोलती रहती हूँ मुझे सिखाओ. बट या, आई विल श्योरली ट्राई एंड लर्न मोर अबाउट मेकअप एंड आई वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू डू माई आईज ऑल्सो. बट या, आई मीन आई एम हैप्पी दैट एटलीस्ट मैंने इतना तो किया. सो या, दैट्स हाउ माई फेस टर्न्स आउट आफ्टर ऑल दैट आई शोड यू. Keep trying yourself, and this was a small DIY from my side. Thank you, take care, stay indoors, stay safe, see you. So yeah, मैंने ये भी कर लिया. घर पे अब मैं इतना बोर हो गई थी guys कि I thought that let's do a DIY video of getting ready in 10 minutes, and I've chosen this H&M dress and I want you all to check out the video of how I did it in like 10 minutes. So if it helps, then please take some use of it and go for it. Even y'all can like feel a little alive and a little different by dressing up at home. Oh, and guess what? Now that I'm ready, I'm thinking to go out. Don't worry, कहीं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ घर के. सिर्फ अपने रूम से नीचे लिविंग रूम तक, और जा भी कहाँ सकते हैं. Stay safe, stay indoors.